Good afternoon, one and all. My name is Hemachalam from GDC Palasa. I am physics lecturer. I would like to some few words about sun. Basically, sun composed of hot gases. So, in that hot gases, there is a gravitational forces. So, due to there is a gravitational forces, sun appeared as a spherical shape, and the diameter of the sun is 1.39 into 10 to the power of 9 meters. So, this is the diameter of sun, and the distance between sun and earth is the 1.5 into 10 to the power of 11 meters, or 150 million kilometers, or 1 astronomical unit. So, basically sun is made up of 75% hydrogen and 23.4% helium, and also 1.6% of other gases like metals also there. So, like metals nickel and iron. So, 75% hydrogen and 23.4% helium and 1.6% some other gases, and also some metals. So, some metals like nickel and iron. So, yeah. So, these are in plasma states. These are in plasma states. Thank you.